Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Audi A6. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a great value with less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include cold weather package, sport package, technology package, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and Bluetooth.